Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Baron here playing World of Tanks with Sherman. The dusk of the Faserland. We're playing the Cruiser 3s, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. And if you don't like it, well, you know, you can get the hell out.
Can we get some British accents?
I need to hear an accent usually before I can, like, I don't think I can just, like,
Oi!
good day there, governor. You know what's funny is I've had someone comment on a video and say, you know, he's like, you know what, I'm British and I've never heard anyone call someone else a governor.
I have heard that by British people.
You've been invaded by British people? One if by land, two if by sea.
I've heard it being said by British people.
How often has, you know, in history, has Holland been invaded by England?
I think once or twice. Actually, they had to France and England had to attack us together to win.
Wow.
Yeah, dude. Like we're best country, 2K14.
Yeah, that's what I read about it on Reddit. Oh, we're getting invaded.
Stewart and Huh?
What gun are you armed with?
Oh. I'm also just using the 2-pounder.
Enemy armor is hit.
Ow! This thing kills T-18s though. Just hit that upper glacis. Once they shoot, I'm peeking out again.
Hit him.
Nice.
Good. Motor helped out.
And the Stewart pulled back so we can push up a bit. Carefully. Carefully. See if I can get hull down. Not really. How did I miss that?
I take way too many snapshots. I took away from my gun to like aim.
Yeah, I just took a snapshot and basically killed a poor family of rabbits back there.
Enemy is hit.
That's a hit.
That is. Oh, he's escaping.
Oh, it bounced again. Oh, 9 HP, come on.
What?
That one didn't go through.
I bounced again!
I bounced on him too. He's got 9 hit points. Well, our team is losing.
Yeah.
But we're winning this flank. So we're gonna have to start killing everybody now.
A tree just fell over, watch out. He's right there.
He missed.
I hit him. I cracked him actually.
Ah, we are victorious.
Yeah,
Meet commonsies. It's actually rude to use German verbiage and accents when playing the British.
I would say it actually is not.
However, it is quite proper. That's terrible accent. I can't even continue on with it. It is a sin.
We should just go for a base cap, I suppose. Well, actually, we're not.
I wouldn't trigger the cap because maybe we could surprise some artillery and stuff.
Yeah, that's actually true, but we have to find them first. There's actually 3 artillery in
The
play.
flanking maneuver is in full effect. Yeah. See, I just have the German accent I always fall back on, you know, and I really got to work on my accents here. We could knock down the radio tower, then they wouldn't be able to communicate.
Very good idea.
Oh, here we go.
I think he's AFK actually.
No, he's not. He's moving.
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Yay! Matt Damon!
Oh,
Dun, dun, dun,
6
dun.
down back there.
You see someone?
Yeah, I can probably get him if I pull
Oh,
down
wow.
pull back far
Some
enough.
shots just happened. I just saw some artillery coming in here, so I'm gonna peek around and see what I can find.
Roger that.
We must send aid to our neighbors. Where are you, enemy? Oh god.
There he is. There's one of them.
Enemy armor is hit.
It's actually we actually have one more kill now. We're actually winning.
Enemy vehicle
Good job.
Well, that guy may have been AFK.
Well, you
Or
know.
he has the slowest reaction time in the history of reaction times.
Oh, what?
Did you?
Ram didn't even kill
Look at that! We rolled the flank! Good work! Good form, old chap.
What the hell?
We didn't penetrate their armor.
Reloading!
Give me that kill. Give me that
Oh, we're capping our
glory.
base. Let's go.
We could just cap theirs, but
Well, but there's only 2 left.
we are searching for glory.
That too, yeah.
We are searching for glory, old chap. Is that a little better?
That
On a
is
scale of
not
1 to epic fail, how are my British accents today?
30.
I don't think that's a proper response, sir. I tell you what, though, I love British tanks.
They're not bad, but there's 2 of them on the capture now.
Whoop.
Riz.
He's in the bushes.
Oh! Ow!
Somewhat 35.
That one didn't go through.
I can't pen him from the. Oh, you're dead.
Yep.
I've lost my comrade. And I'm. Whoop. That's a dead tank. Borisov, get your dead body. Oh shit, we lost. No! That was kind of a fail, actually. I felt we should have won.
Yeah, maybe that wasn't the best idea, but we were never gonna win the capture.
Yeah. I got a
'Cause
mastery
they already had 2
badge.
people capping at like 20%.
Yay, look at us. We're number 1 and number 2.
Woo!
You got Confederate. What does that mean again?
It's like, you damage the most vehicles.
Like you fought, basically you fought against Abraham Lincoln. Yeah?
You damaged the most vehicles, but someone else got the kill pretty much every time.
That's probably me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I stole your glory. On to the next one. Alright, Sherman. We are going to hold the front line.
Alright.
All tier 2. Nice.
Very nice.
Cruiser 1. Hello, Grandpa. Uh-oh, this cruiser has the same idea, maybe. I'm gonna get up on this hill and try to scout some people.
Dodge.
And snipe. Ooh, one guy's already
Wow. That just happened. Deaded.
dead. He did it. God. I have no direct vision on anyone. Unless they decide to come this way. So with that, I think we should go the way you're going, yeah, along the mountain. This guy just died?
Yeah. Going in here is just like the area of like death.
Nice shot. Well, we're considerably ahead. I'm not seeing anyone back there. And now we have some shields.
Yay, bullet shield, let's go.
Alright. Blitzkrieg is on. Whoa!
What was that?
Get airtime, son.
I'm pushing you, let's go. Oh, there's two tanks in this little road up here.
Penetration.
Alright, I got some rear shots.
Enemy armor is damaged.
Oh, come on, reload. I'm so bad at this
Enemy
game.
armor is destroyed. That one bounced.
Bounce on the
that
Panzer II,
Panzer
dude.
II was just so lucky. There
They're
we go.
knocked out.
Alright, there's... Look at that. Now we only need one more kill. Didn't that get us brothers in arms or something like that?
Yeah, we get 3 kills, both. And both survive. I got my third.
Yes!
One more. Get him.
Kill him.
Get him now.
You must do it, Shaman.
Oh, you must get him. I already have my third.
Oh, we each have to get a third?
Yes.
Oh. Tits,
Aw.
mate. Tits.
Oh, now.
That was pretty good, though. Roll the flank. No awards. Boring. 3 kills and only 58 damage. Poacher. Alright, Sherman, we are on the defense. I think I'm gonna hang out around here. Got myself a nice little rock.
Mean the movie star?
Yeah, he's kind of hanging out over here. He's actually giving me a back rub. Is that weird?
No, it's not weird.
Yeah, right there. That feels pretty good. All right, Panzer 1C crossing the swamps.
Random firing. Long reload.
Yeah, got you, you little
Wow.
son of a gun.
Nice.
But every now and then. All right, so once these guys start peeking over this area, I got a good area to cover you.
Trying to make sure our flank is secure.
Niati.
Oh, we got 2 kills. Good job, team.
Oh,
Oh, wasn't paying attention.
We didn't even scratch them.
Wow.
he's
Have
too
my hit
evasive.
points. Yeah, those tanks are fast.
I mean, oh, there's a medium M2 coming your way.
Enemy armor is hit.
Just wrecked him for a lot of points. Well, he just went down to like 21
Enemy
health
armor
points. There you go,
is
nice
destroyed.
one. Nice.
Roger that. I think the 1C's coming up this way.
Artillery almost nailed me.
Yeah, stay safe. Oh, Panzer
Oh.
2G.
I can't really damage. Maybe I can actually. Artillery helps me. Oh. Sure, I can. Oh, there's also Martyr 3
2.
over here. Or Martyr 2.
Penetration.
Oh,
Didn't penetrate his armor like
Enemy
3 times
armor
in a
is
row.
damaged.
Very sad.
dang. Wasn't
Well-
able to finish off that G.
On the bright side, The Rock is being a very nice person right now.
Yeah. Can't really.
Oh.
Can't hit this guy.
He's maneuverable.
Shoot. Coming in. No vision on him though.
Fire blind, fire!
Oh, there he
There
is.
he is. So fast, those boogers are really fast. Wow.
Enemy is hit.
he's
Oh
almost
shit,
dead.
I hit my own guy. Artillery.
Oh, there he is. Oh no. Oh.
Enemy vehicle
It's a
destroyed.
little late to save him. Little late. Oh god, artillery.
Artillery. Well, we're gonna win this one. Oh.
Oh yeah, there's only 3 of them left.
Yep.
Charge!
Artillery. Yay, we win. Oh, soon, anyway.
Let's see. So is the triangle artillery? Is that what it means?
The triangle is a tank destroyer. A square is artillery. Diamond is a...
Just gonna drive off into the sunset, which is actually over there.
cowboy music to go along.
I wish I could do the little. That's pretty good. Come here, gypsies. You will. Oh shit. Goodbye, tree. Oh wow.
Ammo
Oh,
storage
shit.
is hit. We're lucky it didn't blow.
SU-76.
We're trying to
Oh.
cover for him. Enemy armor is hit.
Ah! No way. What a blessed
Wow.
life I'm living right now.
Wow.
Someone else can spot him. Jeez, man.
Well,
Aw. Half a second late. Womp, womp, womp. Womp. Second class mastery, very nice, great success, much damage, 2 kills. Alright, I like it. I like doing that. T7 cars ganging up.
LTR, running forward that T7. German's gonna get a kill! No! No, one more shot!
Aha! Get wrecked, you little gypsy!
French victory. He's gonna blast us.
Penetration.
Oh, we're gonna blast him. Oh my god.
Oh, Panzerjäger!
Kills!
Enemy vehicle.
Yeah!